If your car can't beat a cheetah in a race, don't feel bad, most can't. These cats are built for speed, not carpooling. Let's see just how wild their need for speed really is. Okay, get this, cheetahs aren't just fast, they are supercharged, rocket on pause fast. From 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3 seconds. That's faster than some sports cars. Imagine a giant spotted blur zooming across the savannah. But here's the wild part. Cheetahs can only keep up that insane speed for about 20 seconds before they overheat. Basically, they're the ultimate sprinters, not marathon runners. Their bodies are built for explosive speed, lightweight, flexible, and those long legs, all speed, all the time. So next time you see a cheetah, remember, blink and you'll miss it. Like if that surprised you, subscribe for more wild animal facts, share with a buddy who loves animals. And here's a question, if you had cheetah speed for a day, what's the first thing you'd do? Drop your answer in the comments.